In this video, I will show you how to download pictures from TikTok without any watermarks. First, log in and go to your TikTok page and look for the images that you want to download. Select the TikTok post. Then you will want to hold the image until a menu pops up. You can tap on the copy link icon here or tap on the drop-down arrow and select more. Then tap on copy. After that, minimize your TikTok and go to either Google Chrome on Android or Safari browser if you are on iOS. Then, search for TikTok Picture Downloader. I prefer using tickvideo.app. Select the second option. Next, paste the copied URL here. Then, tap on the download button. You may have to close some ads. After that, scroll down and you will see all the images that are ready for download. Pick the one that you want to download. Then, select Download Image. Once that is complete, tap on the Open button and you will see that the TikTok image is downloaded without watermark.